in this video we are going to discuss how to solve the IDFT problem using FFT method in complex conjugate method. Okay. So here I have written the DFT formula x of k and IDFT formula x of n. This IDFT formula x of n can be written as x star of n, which is equal to 1 by n summation k equal to 0 to n minus 1 x star of k w n power minus n k the whole star. Okay, this is the Twiddle factor and this expression can be written as w n power n k. Okay, w n power minus n k the whole star can be written as w n power n k, and this expression can be written as x star of n is equal to 1 by n summation k equal to 0 to n minus 1 x star of k w n power n k. Okay, so instead of changing the sign of the Twiddle factor, we are changing the input. Okay, that is, first step is you have to consider the complex conjugate of the input. Okay, if the given input is a plus jb, here you have to write a minus jb. Okay, you have to consider the complex conjugate of the given actual input. Second step is you have to perform DIT or DIF FFT as per the given question. And third step is you have to multiply the output by 1 by n. Why? Because in the formula itself we are having 1 by n. So at the end of the output you have to multiply it by 1 by n factor. Next one, you have to take the complex conjugate of the output. Okay. So your output will be x star of 0 to x star of 7. For getting the actual output, you have to take the complex conjugate of the output. For example, if you are getting a plus jb here, your x star of 0 will be a minus jb. Okay. So this is the complex conjugate method to solve IDFT problem using FFT. We will see the flow graph. So this is DIT FFT algorithm. So first stage will be 2 point, second stage will be 4 point, third stage will be 8 point. See here W8 power 0. Okay, in the second half of the sequence we are having the Twiddle factor same like DFT using FFT algorithm. Instead of changing the sign of the Twiddle factor, we are changing the input. Okay, so here in input we will be considering the bit reversal order. I am writing x star of 0. For example, if you are given with a plus jb, you have to write a minus jb. Okay, same for the following sequence also. Okay, at the output side you have to multiply the actual output by 1 by n. Here n is 8 point DFT, so I am writing 1 by 8. That's it. So your output will be x star of 0 to x star of 7. While writing the actual output, you have to take the complex conjugate of the output. Okay. Next, DIF FFT algorithm. In this algorithm, first stage will be 8 point DFT, second stage will be 4 point DFT, and third stage will be 2 point DFT. Here also, you have to consider the complex conjugate of the actual input given. Here, in input side, you will be having normal sequence. In output side, you will be having bit reversed sequence. Okay. So, I am considering x star of 0 to x star of 7 for the input side. Okay. So, I am performing 8 point DFT in the first stage and Twiddle factor value will be same like DFT using FFT algorithm. Okay. Here we will be having plus sign only. No need to change the sign also. Okay. Next will be 4 point and third will be 2 point. At the end we will be having x star of 0, x star of 4, x star of 2, x star of 6, x star of 1, x star of 5, x star of 3 and x star of 7. So actual output should be complex conjugate of the output. Okay, so that's it. I hope you have gotten clear idea about how to solve the problem based on IDFT using FFT algorithm in complex conjugate method. Yes, thank you. See you in the next video.